Hello everyone! Now we're going to take a closer look at visit management. The visit management feature helps streamline the workflow between managers and field workers. With this feature, managers can create, edit, remove, or view tasks for field workers. In ROAK, visits are always linked to sites, and each visit can contain tasks that are either linked to those sites or to the individual wells placed on the sites. You can create a visit in two ways. The first one is by planning a scheduled visit. The second one is by creating an instant visit. First, we'll create a scheduled visit. When you go to a visit management feature in ROAK, you will see the menu where you can create a new visit. You can select the project and the site, and you can specify the date and the time. You will also see a switch called Fixed Time Slot. This will indicate to the field worker that the visit needs to happen within this defined time slot. For example, if there is someone with a key that is only available during this time. Keep in mind that it's only a label and not a restriction in ROAK. The field worker will be able to later enter the information in ROAK. Next, you can assign your visit to a user. You can only assign visits to users with the service engineer role. This person will view your visit and tasks in their service engineer feature when they log into ROAK. And last, you can leave them a comment. When you are ready, click Save. Now you are taken to the visit overview. In the top left, you see all the information that you have just entered, the time and the day. If you scroll down, you will see the site's metadata. On the right, you will see the task list for this visit. It is now still empty. There are two types of tasks that can be added in a visit. The first one is a site task. These tasks apply to all wells on your site, for example, trimming the grass. But most tasks are linked to a specific well, for example, taking a manual measurement, replacing the batteries, or doing other maintenance. Once all tasks have been added, you can scroll down and click on Finish. Your visit is now saved and linked to the assigned user. If you want to edit or view your visit, you can go to the Networks feature and navigate to your site and click on the Visits tab. If you want to edit it, you can select it and click on Edit, and you will be taken back to the Visit Management feature. Instant visits are perfect when you want to make some immediate changes to your well setup. This can also be done remotely. To create one, navigate to the Networks feature and go to your well. In the bottom right corner, there is a button called Create and Start a Task. Select the task you want to perform and click Start. Depending on the type of task, you may see many fields that require some information, some instructions, or only a complete button. Some tasks may also contain several subtasks. Be sure to complete all of the subtasks before finishing the task. When you're done, click on Finish Task. You can leave a comment and then select Failed or Successful. In the Visits tab in Networks, you can always review the status of past and upcoming tasks. Selecting a visit gives you all of its details. A successfully completed visit has a green ribbon, a failed visit has a red ribbon, and a pending visit has no color.